from Chennai. I have done my schooling in Padmasarmani Matriculation High Secondary School, and I have completed my Masters in Computer Application in MIAS Institute of Technology, Chennai, with a percentage of 74%. And my stream is IT, Information Technology, and my year of pass out in 2024. And I have got the job in CES Limited, Chennai. It's a semi-IT role, namely US IT recruiter. And my experience in QSpiders was a great experience. I have learned in many institutes, not like QSpiders. QSpiders is a very good experience for me. The faculties were very interactive to the students, who were very friendly to the students. They take the topics from the students.